Hey everybody, Miss Deb here. How you doing today? I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to make a chocolate swirl candle, and it's going to smell like chocolate. First thing I need to do, well, I've already cleaned out my vessel, and now I have a CD6 wick, because for me, in this jar, these wicks work the best. So we're going to put a little wick sticker on the bottom of the wick, and then we'll place it inside the candle, trying very hard to get it right in the middle. And then we're just going to push it down a little bit so it stays down. And then I'm going to take this popsicle stick and put the candle wick through it so the candle wick will stand up straight. Now I'm going to whip some wax to use to make this candle. Well, I think I'm going to have to wait a few minutes. I don't think no, that wasn't quite stiff enough, so we got to wait a few minutes and let that wax stiffen up a little bit. But in the meantime, I made some little chocolate, whoops, they're slippery, some little chocolate pieces to put in my chocolate swirl candle. I have an 8-ounce jelly jar that I'm using to make my candle with. This wax that's in here is called Joy Wax, which is one of my favorite waxes. I like the Joy Wax a lot. And I'm got to let it stiffen up a little bit more so I can whip it up and use it in my candle. And in here, I have some brown wax that is also the Joy Wax that's going to go in the bottom of the candle, and then the whipping is going to swirl the chocolate around. Wait till you see how it works. It'll really be cool. We just got to let this set up for a few more minutes to get it to whip up to the right consistency, because right now it's just too loose. And once I get it whipped up, I'll put it in my piping bag and use that to decorate the candle. Yeah. Let's see how this is doing now. Well, I'm going to try and whip it again and see where we're at. See how it looks now, and see if it'll peak at all. Yeah, it's peaking. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is grab my piping bag and open it up, and then I'll grab my big spoon and grab some of this whipping wax and put it in the bag. a minute and get some more of this wax out of here. Oops. Okay, there we go. Made a little mess. So we just wipe it up. It'll be okay. So now what I'm going to do, I got to check the temperature on this brown wax, which is going to go into the bottom of the candle. Yeah, I can tell it's not hot enough. So I got to heat that up just a little bit. I have to heat this wax up to 163 degrees Fahrenheit so I can pour it, because that's the temperature that you're supposed to pour this wax in. Okay, I got it. So now we're going to pour this brown wax into the bottom of the candle. It's not got a whole lot, just a bit. Now comes the fun part. Get all that wax down there. Get that up there and out of my way. Oh, gosh, I made a mess again. Okay. Now watch what happens as I put this wax in here. Can you see it? Let me move it a little closer to me so that you can see. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to take my stick out. I'm going to flatten this down a little bit. So that it's a little level to the top of the candle. But as you can see, it swirled the chocolate around in the candle. So now what I'm going to do is clean off the top here. I made a bit of a mess here on the top. I'm going to clean that off. And now I have pieces, whoops, let's get my wick in the middle. And now I have pieces of chocolate that I'm just going to put in the candle for decoration. Some of them broke as I made them, but I said that's okay. You know, they can just be little pieces of chocolate. That's okay. Yeah. One there. I'll put one there. And I'll put one over here. And one over here. And put this guy right in the front. This guy on the side. Oops. And this little one over here. So, there we go, a chocolate swirl candle. What do you think of it? I think it turned out really pretty. I made another one a few minutes ago. This is the other one that I made. It's another swirl chocolate candle. So now I have 2 swirly chocolate candles. Let me know what you think of them. I'd love to hear what people think about the things I make, okay? I thank you for watching, and you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.